Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing instant ice. Grab your water bottle, open it carefully.
I'm stressed, but are you rose today? It'll feel incredible.
And then start pouring it on the ice.
I told Jen from the beginning I was a bit of a slow burn, but after our overnight,
Whoa!
the future with her, I can see her as part of
Alright.
the family. You know, she has these amazing
That was really cool. That was really cool, guys.
Let the thought of others
Now it's time to do
into my head. Until today,
the other part of this experiment.
I don't know how great
It is the, hold on. Let me grab something for this on. The slamming down. Wow! It just instantly froze. Let me try it again. Wow. It's a slushie. Let's try it. Did it work a little bit different?
A little bit better, it got a little bit higher.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.